our previous classes learning about some of the network protocols. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is the components of the network. First of all, tell me what should you do whenever you want to use internet connection in your mobile phone. I'm not telling for your computer or the PC. Asking for your mobile phone only. What should you do? अगर आपको आपके मोबाइल में इंटरनेट का यूज करना हो, नेटवर्क का यूज करना हो, तो आप क्या करते हो? Nobody use the internet connection. अभी आपने जूम पे कनेक्ट किया, कैसे किया? हाँ, by the help of how do you the in the Zoom we don't need a internet to connection to connect on the Zoom. We need yes. Can you please again repeat? By the internet. Okay. How can you turn on your internet connection in your mobile phone? If your internet is not free, अगर आपके मोबाइल फोन में इंटरनेट फ्री नहीं है और आपको किसी और के मोबाइल से कनेक्ट करना हो अपने मोबाइल में, हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? Hotspot. Yes, personal hotspot you have to open for the internet connection from the other phone and turn on the Wi-Fi in the other phone. So is it a wired connection or the wireless connection? Wireless connection, definitely. We don't need any of the. But in the computer system, whenever the computers are there, using of the Wi-Fi, we can connect the internet. But there are the some of the wire connection also to connect the internet connection. So what is the component of the network? Whenever you want to connect a computer to the network, means the internet, various devices are required for that. So for that we need a such of the components. First component is network interface card, short form NIC. Network interface card. You can see at the end of the PC of the CPU. आपको CPU के लास्ट में दिखेगा, that is connected with the wire. Please mute yourself. My voice will be came clearly if all of the students are muted themselves. On the behind of the CP there is a one port is that for connection of internet, so you can say that the LAN cable. Okay, I want to remind you one thing. You are not in a class 1, so please don't repeat one thing more. मुझे अगर कोई एक बोल रहा है तो मुझे उसका आंसर तो देने दो. मेरा नेटवर्क लो है. I am telling you my network is low. That's why this will be happen. प्लीज अगर आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, देखिए मैं इसका रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो आपको भेजूंगी गूगल क्लासरूम पे आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ द क्लास. सो प्लीज वेट फॉर इट एंड म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Okay, so what is the network interface card? There are at the behind of the CPU, that is a one port for the connection of the LAN cable. You can say in the computer or the laptop we have to be connected with the internet via a LAN cable. So it is provide the hardware interface between the computer and network so that computers can communicate over the network. Using whenever you connect the wire port to this LAN cable to this LAN port, then your internet connection is connected with the internet. Your CPU, your computer is connected with the network. What will be happen? One one side port is connect with the CPU and second side port is connect with the power supply. जहाँ से हमारा मेन राउटर होगा, जहाँ से हमारा इंटरनेट कनेक्ट होगा, मेन सप्लाइंग होगा, वहाँ पे दूसरा कनेक्शन होगा. First is NIC, Network Interface Card. Remember the full form, maybe ask the full form here. Second is the network cables. There are the three network cables are used. First is twisted pair cable. Second is coaxial cable. And third is the fiber optical cable. First blue colored is the twisted pair cable. Second black color is the coaxial cable, and third is the fiber optical cable. These cables are used to connect the various devices of network to each other. So I am want to speak about one by one. First is the twisted pair cable. What is the twisted pair cable? That is the two type of twisted pair cable. That is one is the shared and second is the unshared. Most used popular for the small LAN like जो हमारे रेगुलर हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारे कंप्यूटर लैब में जो यूज होता है, दैट इज अ अनसील्ड कॉक्स ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल. Short form UTP, unsealed twisted pair cable. It is you connect to the ports using the RJ45. I am telling about the twisted pair cable. The connect it is connect to the ports means जो हमारा LAN केबल CPU में होता है, हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. It is connect with the RJ45. Full form of RJ is register jack. It is connect with the register jack 45. Remember the name. It connect to the ports of CPU using RJ45 register jacks. Second is the coaxial cable. This is a single copper conductor. It is metal shielded by the plastic insulator. Remember, it is very difficult to install in your computer, but it is only used in the television cable network. The second one, coaxial cable is used in the
Ma'am,
television cable network. Yes?
ma'am, can you make a video only because we are not able to understand what you are
Yes, I am making a
saying.
video.
Yes, ma'am.
That I told you I will
Because
be.
ma'am, your voice is not taking.
Yes. I will be share the
What is
recorded video to you. I will be share recorded video to you.
now your voice is totally not
Okay, now we are talking about the third fiber optical cable. It is used trans strands of glass and pulses of light for the data transitions. That is used for the data transmission. As I told you, if my voice is not came properly, please watch it. I will be share the recorded video as I messaged in the chat box. The fiber optical cable completely eliminates the problem of the electric interference. It is also transfer the large amount of data used in the WAN. First, the twisted pair cable is used for the LAN and the fiber optical cable is used for the WAN, wide area network, and this is for the local area network. Now next is sorry modem. Next is the not here is in by mistake written the network cable. Next is the modem. The modem is convert the analog signal from a telephone line to the digital signal which can be read by the computer. कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट बी अंडरस्टूड द एनालॉग सिस्टम. जो फॉर्मेशन में होता है, हम जिसमें डेटा ट्रांसफर करते हैं, वो can be not understood the alphabetical instruction. So it will be transformed in the digital signal that is in a way of 0 or 1. So it will be understood by the computer and can be read by the computer. The modem also convert the digital signals back into the analog for the transmission over the telephone lines. Remember, modem is the short form of modulator and demodulator. Sanskruti, I know that my voice is not cutting. My voice is cutting. Modem is a short form of modulator and demodulator. Remember this line. Modem is a short form of modulator and demodulator. Even it is used to send or receive data using a telephone line cable. Whenever you transfer a data in the modem, it will be use only the telephone cable lines. It is data stored in the digital format and transmit in the analog format. Stored in the digital format and transmit in the analog format. The earlier modem used is the dial-up modems, or nowadays it is used the DSL modems. Now today we have learned the last one. Next, on the next class we will learn about the gateway and ISP bandwidth and the last one. So due to network connection we learn till the router only. So fourth is the router. You can see here the symbol of the router. Router is mainly used at our home. So router is used to link the computer network to the internet, so the users on this computer can share the internet connection. It's a one of the hardware device that is used to connect the two different network. जैसे कि आपके घर में होता है, कंप्यूटर होता है, मोबाइल फोन भी होता है, लैपटॉप्स also होता है, टैबलेट्स also होता है. So राउटर इज ओनली फॉर द होम यूज. अगर आपको यूज करना आपके घर में डिफरेंट डिवाइसेस में इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, so you can use the router, you can install the browser. Router, remember, router is used to receive, analyze and move the information from one network to the another. It is choose the base path so the data can be received quickly. So इसीलिए अगर आप राउटर यूज कर रहे हो होम यूज में तो आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन हाई स्पीड में होगा. It is commonly used home network to share the single internet connection.